Okay, so I picked this Nintendo Switch up on eBay for 20 quid and it's in pretty bad condition. Straight away I can see that the port is damaged. So when I go to power it on, nothing. And I can't plug in anything here because the port is damaged pretty bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart, get the board out, and we'll have a look at it underneath the microscope. Okay, so here's a look inside the port, and as we can see it's very heavily damaged, this port. So this will explain why it's taking no power. It's also split in half here. So what I'm going to do is, just as I'm here, I'm just going to check around the rest of the board to make sure there's no other problems, and if I can't find any other problems I'll remove this port. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to check is just the fuse near the USB port in continuity mode, and that's good. Next I'm going to check just around the M92 here, because usually when the port goes it takes the M92 with it sometimes. So we should only get a beep on one side, so we're good. Good here as well, and the CPU cap, it's good there too. So I'm just going to flip around the back, have a fast look at the P13. Checking this cap in continuity mode, and it's good, yeah. So I'm just going to have a fast look at the rest of the board just to make sure we have no other issues anywhere else, or to see if I can spot anything visible. Okay, now I'm just going to move down to the BQ area, because the last switch I did was it had a problem in this area of the board here on this cap, but it's good on this one. Okay, so the rest of the board does look good. I've kind of looked around, I can't find any other issues. So what I'll do is I'll take the port off and replace that, and then I'll rehouse it and see if it's working. To do that I'm going to use 450 degrees Celsius and 50% airflow. Okay, so it's back together enough just to test, so I'm going to plug it in here just to see if we do get a Nintendo logo and see if this charging port is okay. Okay, so the charging port will be fine because we are getting the reading. So we got 0.4, but we have nothing on the screen. But I don't know if you can see it, but the backlight is after coming on. So maybe, possibly, this could be a damaged LCD. So what I'll do is I'll put it into, I have another housing for this. So what I'll do is I'll put it into that just to see if we get an image. And if we get no image on that, then I'll go back under the microscope to see what could be causing the issue. Okay, so it's been a few days now and I have managed to put it into a new housing, and the good news is it does charge and it does turn on. So that was just the LCD that was cracked. So a nice easy fix, just the charging port. It's, as you can see, it's coming on there now. I've tested it. What I have found out is sometimes the touch display presses itself, and the battery also dies pretty quick in it, so it has a faulty battery and a faulty LCD still, but I'll change them in a future video. If you want to see me fix this Nintendo Switch, I'll leave a link up in the corner somewhere, and hopefully you enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.